Hello, good morning, everyone. Maybe you're watching this video in morning itself because here this side is morning of 28 November 2025, and the video is in continuation with the series where we are seeing the problems on the topic algebraic expression from one of the good books. Publication is Harbor Press. Name is Additional Practice Workbook Questions. And chapter is algebraic expression. Class 8. Class 8. So we can see here question on the screen, question number 8, which says that find the total savings of a boy who saves 4x minus 6y, then 6x plus 2y, then next day 4y minus x, or week rather, and next week y minus 2x in 4 consecutive weeks. So consecutive means one after the another in continuation. So first week the boy is able to save 4x minus 6y and likewise. So savings are given, but as we see that the topic is algebraic expression, algebra basically. So it is not in a particular number, rather in terms of expressions they have been expressed, the saving done by the boy, and we have to find the total saving. So we know from our previous classes that whenever it comes to total savings, particular values are given and we are being asked for total. So by the help of keywords, how do we get to know what to do in the situation? So in situations of total, we know that deep down we have to find the sum of the things. And why sum? Because in an individual week the money saved by the person is given. So first week, second week, third week, fourth week. Now if somebody asks you that in total, means collectively in the 4 week duration, how much that person was able to save. So if one day you are having 1 rupee, second day again you get 1 rupee. Now if anybody asks you that in 2 days how many rupees you have collected, so basic mathematics says that you are going to count. If we see the easiest approach, or the very basic thing which comes to mind, is that we start counting the things. So 1 plus 1 means 2. We have saved 2 rupees, we have collected 2 rupees, in that manner. So if we want statement, we can write statement, the saving of first week, saving done in first week is 4x minus 6y. And likewise, we can give the statement for the second week, third week, and fourth week. Finally, when it comes to total saving done by the person, so we will see what if we go by representing the things in a row, single row. So we can say 4x minus 6y plus next one is 6x plus 2y, next one is 4y minus x, and next one is y minus 2x. So now when we see them written in a row all together, so for adding we know that we will have to segregate the like terms. So if we see the first term 4x, so the like terms to this will be the terms which are having variable as same as x. So 6x is sharing the same variable in same manner, and minus 2x is also there. Plus one more is there, minus x. So collectively, if you want, you can write down. You can write down together the like terms. So 4x plus 6x minus x minus 2x in one bracket. Then plus the other variable which is in the frame is y. So if we see the first term including y is minus 6y, then the next one is plus 2y, then the next one is plus 4y, and lastly plus y. So this is the situation, right? Now it will be less confusing, less chances of mistakes. So adding the x together means like term. So 4 plus 6, concept of integer, positive 4 positive 6 will result into positive 10x, minus x minus 2x. So minus 1 basically, and minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2 is going to give us minus 3x, plus we can still keep them in bracket. Now if we look towards y, so we have three terms of y in positive which can be added together. So 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7y, and we have also minus 6y with us. So in the process you have seen that we can shuffle their places. That will not bring any change. Just you should take care that same sign is to be carried when we are changing their places. Then in the next step, 10x minus 3x. So 10 minus 3 gives you 7. So 7x. And another bracket, 7y minus 6y. So 7 minus 6 is basically 1. So 1y, or even we can say as 1 is understood. So no need to mention y. So 7x plus y rupees that boy was able to save in the entire 4 weeks. Right? Again, let us summarize. So the saving done by a, let us say, a boy in the situation, or a girl. So in 1 week the saving done was 4x minus 6y rupees. In second week, in third week, in fourth week, the amount is given respectively. Question is asking for the total saving done by the person collectively in the 4 weeks. We know that here the concept of addition is involved, and that can help us to um, solve the problem and to get an idea that how much a person is able to save in this particular duration. So we are going to add these amounts. So you can see total saving for statements. We have started with the providing the statements what we are able to understand from the question. So we can see that we have mentioned saving done in first week. Likewise, the lines are there, so you can write in the same manner. Saving done in the second week, saving done in the third week, saving done in the fourth week. And then finally, when we come to total saving, so we can say that we are going to add these amounts. So adding them in this manner in a row form, writing them in continuation with the mathematical operator plus, 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 and then one of the methods to eliminate any error is to segregate the like terms. So what we see is 4x, 6x, minus x, and minus 2x. These are like terms. So we have written them together in a bracket. And minus 6y plus 2y plus y, and yes, how can 4y plus 4y. They are also like terms, so they are written in the other bracket. And plus sign is there because we have to add. So 4 plus 6, 10, minus and minus 1, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3. Likewise, minus 6 remains minus 6. 2, 4 and 1 add to give you 7. Then 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So in that way, we can solve the problem. I hope it will be helpful for you.